I'm going to show you how to turn on your Yahoo Mail notifications on your iPhone. So there's two things we can do. The first thing is to go into your Yahoo and go into your settings. So you can go ahead to the top left-hand corner, go ahead and click your icon, and then go down to where it says settings. It should be at the very top. From here, you want to just scroll down until you find notifications. And as you see, mine are currently turned off. So let's go ahead and enable notifications. And for iPhone, that's going to bring you to your Yahoo Mail under your apps area. So if we back out of here for 1 second, if you're in your settings, scroll down, you'll find your apps and go ahead and type in Yahoo Mail. And that is the same page where it directed you from the Yahoo app. So from here, you just want to go down to notifications and allow notifications. So from this point forward, you'll get those email pop-ups and those notifications on your lock screen or things like that. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy.